When it comes to innovation, no one does it better than Noel Lethane. Welcome to the Summer Nats for the 21st birthday, Jason.
Hey Fletch, how you going? It's great to be here.
Mate, you are more than welcome. You've got some cool products here this year. Tell us what's new.
Yeah, we've got some new innovative things for 2007, or the end of 2007 now to 2008. Commodore sway bar links, you've gone from your standard bush type where we innovated with an S-bend to alleviate to help articulation and alleviate load onto the bushes. We've now gone to a new design that has a vertical bulb, top and bottom, to again stop basically bush failures and things of that nature through OE design and items like that. We've got them from basically your VN Commodore right through to your VZ. Looking at VE stuff now, so that's all starting to come through the pipework. We've just done 300C, not big in Australia, but hopefully it's going to get there. It's an iconic car, and Chick Henry owns one, so yeah, it's all good.